Okay, the O'Brien Space Dust. If you're looking for performance, this is it. Lightweight, really light construction, makes it really quick, snappy. The template, I love the template. You can really grip this inside rail when you're doing your bottom turn and coming up. It's really fast, but it's light, so it's easy to do shove-its. It's easy to spin around. Great performance board for a lighter rider, little kids, lighter guys. You're gonna love this because it's light, it's fast, and it's super fun.
For 2019, we wanted a soft top board that would entertain everyone on the boat, and we knocked it out of the park with the Pike. This is not a Sensor or a Vader. If you're looking for the ultimate performance, look somewhere else. This is a board built entirely for fun, yet it still performs really well.
We're too young to talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get enough sleep. Oh, the whole night through.
All of our athletes were taken by surprise with the Pike and were grinning from ear to ear when testing it out. This board minimizes any issue of catching the wave, and it's super easy to relax and cruise on, making it the perfect board for introducing new people into wake surfing.
Darling, can you feel it? Oh, so ignorant bliss. Oh, the whole night through. 'Cause we don't want
Its soft top construction eliminates any concern the rider may have of falling on the board or accidentally sending it into the back of the boat, making it easier for the rider to focus on what's really important, learning to surf. While the Pike may be the perfect board for new surfers, it is definitely a board that can be enjoyed by all.